Welcome to Tableau Susan. Hope you are doing well. In this video, we will create tree map. Before going forward, I request to viewer to please subscribe this channel and give thumbs up if you find this video helpful. So now let's get started. Tree map is useful to show breakdown of whole. Tree map and pie chart are good for showing how different pieces added up to a whole. Tree map are especially useful when you have lots of small pieces to show larger parts. Tree maps show data in clear and appealing way. They use nested rectangle to organize information. The size and color of each rectangle show different value. This helps to visualize data and understand trends. To understand tree map, how to create tree map, let us suppose we have a business scenario. You are checking your company sales number and you want to see how much each product, subcategory and region contribute to your total sales. To figure out this, you will create tree map by using Tableau. So let's go to Tableau. This is the started page of Tableau, and for this demonstration I am using here sample superstore which already saved in Tableau. Let's click on this and let's go to sheet 1, rename this here tree map. Okay, now drag this cells to color to size here, mark, and drag this region to color and subcategory to details. Now we also want to use here levels to drag this to level. You can see here text become levels, and drag this cells, also control this and drag this to level and drag this subcategory to level. Okay, and you can see here the tree map only created on mark, not in column shelf and row shelf. It means no axis for x and y. And you can see here lower right side there is no levels of each region and in each color, because by default Tableau do not overlap levels. And here is the upper left corner, here show largest cells and lower right corner show lowest cells. Okay, so in this video you are learn when to effectively use tree maps and how to build them. Now you can use tree map to compare the relative contribution of a part to whole. So that's all about in this video. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe the channel and give thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.